Here are Lakeshore's top 5 maintenance recommendations for landlords.
Number 5, know your lease agreement and the law. We've taken over many properties where owners have unknowingly been paying for maintenance expenses that are actually the tenant's responsibility. Landlords also need to be aware of the remedies available to tenants if they do not begin the repair within the timeframes allowed by law.
4, create a realistic maintenance budget. Based on our experience, we recommend that landlords budget at least $1,200 a year on each residential unit.
Number 3, conduct routine maintenance on your property. Examples of routine maintenance items can include roof, gutter, and window cleaning. When gutters become backed up, water can find its way into the home.
Number 2 would be to do annual interior and exterior inspections of your property. We've taken over properties where landlords didn't do this, maybe because the tenant paid their rent on time, didn't complain, or like this, out of sight, out of mind. If they had done those regular inspections, I wouldn't be up here clearing leaves off a flooded roof because water's leaking into the tenant's apartment down below. Doing regular annual inspections can save you a lot of money on costly repairs that could have been avoided. Leaking drain pipes and supply lines can often go unnoticed by the tenants. This can cause a lot of damage and has the potential for mold. It's important to stay in front of these things and check them regularly. This saves you and the tenants a lot of headache.
Number 1, take care of your tenants. They are your customer. If something breaks through normal wear and tear, fix it. Don't wait 2 or 3 weeks trying to find the best deal out there. If you have happy tenants, you're going to have less turnover and ultimately more money back in your pocket at the end of the year.